Hey, welcome to this tutorial on Vim. Vim is a command line text editor based on the Unix classic VI. So why should we care about Vim? Well, there are indeed many reasons to enjoy Vim. Without further delays, let's fire up our beloved terminal. Once you've opened the file with Vim, the first thing you need to know is how to exit this program. If you want to exit without saving, type :Q! Vim operates in two basic modes, the command mode and the insert mode. When you start Vim, you start in command mode, and therefore you cannot type text right away. In order to enter text, you need to go into insert mode by pressing the I key, and then type whatever you want. When you're done typing, press ESC. This will take you back to the command mode. Now you can save your file using the :W command. While you're in the command mode, press V to select a number of lines and Y to copy them. To undo your changes, press U. Press / followed by the string name to search for a particular string. Then hit enter. To display line numbers, type :setNumber. Hit enter. To jump to line 12, type :12, then hit enter. Okay, so this was a short introduction to Vim. I hope it was useful. Vim is capable of so much more. Let us know in the comments below which Unix tool you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching.